Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to copy and paste on HP OmniBook Flip 5 laptop. So let me open this new text document to use it as an example. Let's enter some sample text in here, and now in order to copy it or a part of it, we just have to select the copy or the part of the text that we want to copy, and then either right click and select copy or use Ctrl+C combination of keys to copy it. To paste it, we can either right click and select paste, or we can use Ctrl+V combination of text. Now to cut the text out or a part of the text out, we're gonna have to select it, and then you either right click and select cut, or you can also use Ctrl+X combination of keys, and to paste it once again in any place, you can use again Ctrl+V or right click paste. Besides, you can also use the clipboard. To use the clipboard, you're gonna have to press Windows and V combination of keys, then turn the clipboard on, and then make a couple of clips, which you can do by copying different elements on your screen, for example, different parts of the text, and then after pressing Windows V again, you'll be able to select which part or which element you want to enter next. Okay, now let's go to the File Explorer and let's see how it works here. So for example, we can go to the Pictures folder, open Screenshots, and now in order to copy a screenshot, we can once again either select it, right click and select copy, or we can use Ctrl+C combination of keys, or we can click copy on the toolbar right here. We can also cut it out using cut. If we right click it, we'll also be able to select cut, and Ctrl+X combination of keys will also work here. Now if you want to paste an element, we'll press Ctrl+V, but this simply will not be allowed, since there is already a file with such a name in this directory, so we're gonna have to paste it somewhere else. For example, in the previous folder. And as you can see, this file was transferred from here to this folder, but we can also make a copy of it and paste it into a different folder. If you select it, press Ctrl+C or copy anywhere on the screen, and then go to the other folder and paste it there. Now we'll have two identical elements in different directories on this laptop. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.